Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your Post Finance Switzerland account. First, open Google and type Post Finance Login. Click on the official website that appears. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right. You'll be taken to the login page where you have two options. You can log in using a QR code. Simply scan it with your Post Finance app. Or log in using your user ID and password. Just enter your details and click Login. If you prefer logging in through the Post Finance app, download it from Google Play or the App Store and follow the steps there. And that's it. You're now logged in to your Post Finance Switzerland account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.